windiest after midnight into the first half of Wednesday. Some strong, powerful wind gusts with it, up over 40 miles an hour at times. Temperatures in the upper 60s Wednesday morning, low at mid-70s in the afternoon with a partly sunny sky. Much less humid overnight, 50s to start Thursday morning. Sunshine Thursday with highs in the low 70s. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Mark Searle.
It's the News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM Daily Rewind with Ron St. Pierre. Sponsored by O'Hara Senior Care Services.
A couple of wildfires burning in California still causing major concerns. California Governor Gavin Newsom says a wildfire burning in northern California may join the largest fire in state history. The August fire is 45% contained and has charged 178,000 acres there. But this zone of fires is in Georgia, which is not should be eventually join that fire compound. 3 people have died connected to fire.
Hi, this is Jody from Situate, and I always have my Cat Country on.